Christmas can be a lot about food and drink. So what are the food and drinks like at Christmas time in the Czech Republic? I'm Katrina Zurish, an American living in České Budějovice, Czech Republic, and you're watching Checking with Katrina. In America, Christmas dinner is usually turkey or ham. But in the Czech Republic, they enjoy carp and potato salad for Christmas dinner. So it's December 24th, and all over the country, people are eating this for dinner. That's right, here in Czech Republic, outside most grocery stores, you will find buckets of live carp. Czech people purchase them and either have them killed right away and take them home to eat them on Christmas Eve, or they take them home live and put them in bathtubs or small swimming pools like this family. Then on Christmas Eve, they knock them upside the head, kill them, cook them up, and eat them. So, Merry Christmas, Dobro Hut, American Christmas cookies. Although they don't taste the greatest, American Christmas cookies are your classic sugar cookies. They are fun to make, and most children enjoy this Christmas activity. They're simply powdered sugar, butter, vanilla extract, all-purpose flour, and baking soda. We simply make it into a dough, roll it out, cut them into various fun molds, and then decorate them. You can find the classic sugar cookie recipe all over the internet. Yet, over the years, many have come up with variations of this classic recipe. If you have a delicious sugar cookie recipe, let me know in the comments below or email your recipe to answers@checkingwithkatrina.com. I want to talk about Czech Christmas cookies. As you can see, Czech Christmas cookies are much more complicated than American Christmas cookies. They come in all different shapes and are all different recipes and all taste completely different. There are also many different fillings for these cookies. Some are filled with a buttery rum, others are filled with jelly, and other fillings. It's an extensive process and takes quite a long time to make. Many Czechs will set aside a day or two in order to make their Christmas cookies. If you would like recipes for some of these Czech Christmas cookies, send an email to answers@checkingwithkatrina.com. 4 Czech phrases you can use when celebrating Christmas. Number 1, Veselé Vánoce, which means Merry Christmas. Number 2, Pěkné prázdniny, which means Happy Holidays. Number 3, Tady máš dárek, which means here's a present. Number 4, Na zdraví, which means cheers, and you can use that phrase when cheering your Christmas cocktail. 5 delicious Christmas cocktails. I hope you enjoyed those cocktails. Let me know in the comments below if you're able to make them yourself. Svařák. That is Czech for a mulled wine. Take any kind of cheap red or white wine and pour it into a pan. Add whole cloves, a cinnamon stick, star anise, and an orange slice peeled. Turn on the burner to medium. Let it cook, but do not let it come to a boil, just warm. Take a strainer and a coffee cup and strain it into the cup. Add your orange peel because it tastes delicious. Then add honey or sugar. Stir and enjoy a nice warm drink. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button.